Believers IAS Academy. So in this video we will learn how to read Yojana magazine and where to get this Yojana magazine and how to prune out the topics which are important for UPSC examination from the Yojana magazine. And you might have heard everyone will be telling about Yojana magazine, you have to study Yojana magazine for mains or prelims. So all your doubts will be cleared in this video. Do we have to study for prelims or do we have to study for mains? How to segregate the topics for examination. So where can you get Yojana magazines? See, if you visit our website believersias.com, you'll get, when you go to the current affairs section, you'll get the Yojana option. Yojana magazines are uploaded here. Every other and the newer version, that is June 2020, everything is updated here in the Yojana section. So when you download that, when you download the PDF of that month and start studying, how to choose important topic which you can relate to your syllabus from this Yojana magazine. How to do that? See, when you go to this page, there will be a topic which is highlighted for that month. So here, Vandhan Yojana benefiting the tribal livelihood. They are basically talking about GS3's biodiversity, tribal activities, and that is how you can get an overview now. First, you will get an overview now. Vandhan Yojana benefiting the tribal livelihoods. Then, if you go to the index page, in the index page only, you can make a map to what to read in depth and what not to read. Here, connections of survival. This could be a case study based question. Smart agriculture. Yes, this is needed for us. GS3. Smart agriculture. What are the agricultural practices which are important for us? Smart agriculture. See, that is why I am telling you how you can segregate things. See, when you take up the, I'll tell you, when you take up the cover page of this, they are telling about health and environment. Health and environment is coming in your GS2 paper and it is very important to write your main sciences, governing rules. So, when you go to the index, you will get to see that the pandemic and the global synergy. This is very important for us. COVID-19 affects, same GS2 paper, many questions in 2020 mains examination. This is important for us. Policy and practice, and then home isolation in mild COVID condition, do's and don'ts. This is the information not necessary for us. E-waste management, very much important. FAME scheme and everything. FAME scheme, vehicle scrapping policies. Everything was in use, so you can relate to that e-waste policy, and that's it. Pandemic through Gandhian perspective, yes. Include this in your ethics answers. Getting it, guys? So this is how, in the beginning itself, in your cover page itself or your index itself, you should know which topics I have to concentrate on. That's all you have to do in Yojana. You should not sit hours together to read a magazine or a paper. Even for Kurukshetra also, we'll make up a video for that. Then, these are all the information will be given. I'm just showing you how the magazine will be designed. And then policies and practice. Yes, see, this kind of health expenditure. What are the health expenditure and the comparison? Put it up for your statistics. Stats in your mains answer writing. See, US is giving 16.9% of expenditure on health. What is India doing? India is giving only 1.26% of expenditure on health. This kind of comparison between the higher and the lower is necessary for our mains introduction. Then, yes, see, if you see this point, shift in public healthcare delivery. How are the shift is happening? What is the shift is happening? Note down this point. Note down this point for including the improvement in the health structure. Then, pandemic and the global synergy is what we wanted to study now. So, what and all you can include here? See, United Nations Security Council permanent membership. All this thing directly you can include in your answers. Then, effective allocation, give you a very important point. So what is diplomacy? Why you have to ensure diplomacy between the other countries? Then, pandemic through Gandhian perspective. See, it is difficult to read so much of paragraphs. I know that, but you have to see what I can prove from this. Then, Gandhian economic grounded on the premises. So all this box items, box related and highlighted items are important for us. Pick this kind of logical corollaries for the systems to thought with the inbuilt thread of morality running through it. So this kind of topics or this kind of quotes, if you include in your ethics answers, will be a very good innovative answer which I can actually promise you. Then, empathy towards, see, empathy is a word in your syllabus, right? Connect with your syllabus, connect with your ethics syllabus. How you can include this migrant reaching their home states by feet, legislatures or illegal means has been a heart-wrenching story. Give this as an example. Empathy, you are going into the shoes of others that are the illegal, that are the migrants, how they are able to go home states and how they are able to leave their states and go away and stay for other countries without food. How is that possible? All these things, go on, check on the empathy of them. Then, so decent wages and COVID-19 allowances, all these things, this article from June 2021 magazine is very much important. So these are all the lined up for us. And see, International Day of Yoga is also, see, as I told you, smart agriculture. Smart agriculture we wanted. What are the initiatives here? Important. Soil health card, mobile card, and then National Agricultural NAM. Important. Every time coming up in your current affairs. Make a note on them. Okay? Then, MSI module of strength in domestic agarbatti industries. Agarbatti industries. You can look my previous video about the Gramodaya Yoga Yojana, where it is improving the conditions of this agarbatti instant stick industries. And then e-waste management. All these things are given in a, see, regulatory financial technique. All this infographics are important. Try to include the structures in your answers. And then, see, how recycling fund is very, very much important. Recycling fund, how manufacturer, distributor, consumer, collector, carrier, recycler and the disposer and the producer will provide the raw materials again. This is how the recycling fund is going on from materials to the consumer. Then, yes. So you get to know about some multiple choice questions also. So when you see, you can handle this. You can answer this question and answer some of the question. For example, let us take first question. Which one of the following energy is most utilized in biomass? How can you do this? How can you do this question in a very generalistic form, and it's a very general question. They are talking about biomass. Biomass is a natural phenomenon. So in this, atomic energy is unnatural, geothermal, tidal energy. Do you think biomass utilized by biomass? Do you think water is utilized by biomass? No. Basically, in lot amount of matter, solar energy is used for the degradation, decomposition of all this thing, all the biomass. So the answer is biomass. So by looking at the magazine, you would be getting the knowledge and you have also answered a question. So this is how you have to use your Yojana magazine and prune out the topics which are important for the examination. So I hope this becomes the end of my video. Let me see that how much you are benefited by reading Yojana magazine. Download the Yojana magazine from our website BelieversIAS at believersias.com, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos, how to read all other magazines, how to read website. Everything will be given, all this explanatory videos will be provided for your information. So that's how, for any other queries, you can call upon our number 9611321616 for further information regarding the foundational courses, interview guidance, etc. etc. And thank you so much for watching my video. Welcome.